So who want vex and who want run? But the Maverick must raise this issue again. Lionel Messi has started the domestic season like a house on fire, breaking scoring records and hat-trick records, and here come the pundits again waxing lyrical about the majestic mercurial Messi and blah blah blah. I don't know why they don't bite them tongue when they talk. But again though, Lionel Messi continues to be the most complex phenomenon in the history of football. No other player is so out-of-class brilliant at the club level and so conversely and consistently ordinary on the big international stage while representing a big team. Weeks after returning from another World Cup flop, the fourth of his career, Messi is back in his comfort zone, smashing in 7 goals in 6 games, playing sparkling and breathtaking football. Remember now, on the biggest football stage, Argentina with Messi barely got out of the group stage and got knocked out in the round of 16, with Messi scoring just a single goal in the 4 games and looking like an average baller who was tired, weak, worn, and broken. Messi looked like a man destined for the dump heap of good but not so great. But in a matter of weeks, he's back amongst friends, playing with less pressure and less expectations, looking again like the Fresh Prince of Barcelona. And we must wonder now, is there any modicum of doubt that this man, Lionel Andres Messi, will go down in history as the greatest club bully in the history of football? Bully with that club.